Good morning, New Year. This is Coco Pet plus rice hull plus mixed at the loam soil. We will add rice hull, Coco Pet. Yes, we will replant this big antfol in this very big pot, almost 3 gallons. Mix. It's very hard to do when you use 2 hands. The other hand is holding my phone and the other is mixing. This is my variegated burl mark. See, almost elbow, meaning white. I love this. I will repot this also. Okay, after mixing, transfer to the pot. But I will put some mat, which is coconut husk, so that the earthworm cannot go inside directly. And pour. Still we add some more so that it will be easy to grow. And soil, this must be soilless. That is why I put a lot of Coco Pet and the rice hull. That's it. Then put the big one. This one is so heavy with lots and lots of photos. Today, see how big it is. Looks like plastic already. You hear the sound? It will be here. See? See how big it is, the leaves. Thank you.